No. This is all wrong. Jesus. All wrong. I'm young, bro. Give me a hug.
No me pone.
My mom don't love me. Do you love me?
Fight. Hola, novela.
Give me a hug.
Mira, muchacho. Me agarro el cuello. Te vine de regreso por ahí. Uy.
What you mean?
Te vine de recoger.
No, Sedeña, Shababi. Why are you so serious?
I'm staring at Santa in the eyes.
What? You serious? What the? What the? Alright, what is up, Cisco? Welcome back to my channel. And guys, Jacob, we have good news.
Christian
What?
Christian channel.
Christian channel? It is a Christian channel? But not everybody's Christian.
Eso está bien de la batería. ¿Cómo no sabes que esta alarma está buena?
We're about to find out.
Prende todas las cosas.
Ah, sí tiene.
Toda la estufa. Préndelo.
Oh shit! Oh! Fuego! Oh! It's a fire in the house! Talking about fire, I want to give a big prayers out to everybody in Los Angeles. Right? It's in Los Angeles.
That wildfire.
The wildfire. So I want to give a big out prayers to everybody that's out there. Everybody that's losing. I heard it started off of a cigarette. Oh! Look at her. Oh! Where you going? Yeah. Get her. Oh, I thought she was gonna get scared. But let's get into that video because I want to make a gingerbread house. Oh my god. This is a lot to work with. But we're gonna start this because I never made a gingerbread house in my life. So, whoa. There's a lot. It smells like gas. Alright, so you get your confetti here. Get your, what is the heck is this? This is your whipped cream thing. The instructions, we don't really need that. Drugs. A lot of whipped cream, god damn. What the heck is that? The heck is that? It's only one house, so let's get this video started because I don't know what the hell to do. So we're gonna have to open this. Dude, I feel like a kid. Alright, how the hell do we do this? Alright, I take back what I said about the instructions because I think we're gonna need the instructions. How do you even start this? What? It says be sure to assemble your house 3 to 4 hours before you want to decorate. So your house can completely. How the hell? Where the heck is AB? A classic cottage. Oh, so these are different type of houses. These things are so small. So each one of these are houses. So like this is a whole house. This is a whole house. You know what? We don't need instructions because we're gonna make our own house. Bear with me, I never made a gingerbread house. But it does smell good. Yeah, it tastes good too. Damn, I'm gonna get you guys closer over here. Goddamn light. What if I zoom out? So we zoom out? No, we're gonna zoom in. Alright, let's see what we got. We got this side of the house. Gotta break everything. Okay. So, how do I get my glue ready? Oh my god, this looks so delicious. Cut it and squeeze it into this. I think I'm gonna do this. We're gonna do this. For sure. We're gonna do this. So, how do we transfer this from there? Okay, so I'm just gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it. Cut it. Oh, it's so delicious. Right. Oh snap. Oh, look at that white poo-poo. Look at that. So that white poo-poo. Delicious poo-poo. I'm not gonna lie, it's delicious poo-poo. I don't know how to deal with that. What the heck is in this package? I don't know what's in here. Is this Play-Doh? Oh no, that's candy.
Fight!
Oh, I don't like that. Alright, let me stop fooling around. We're gonna start making these walls. So what I'm guessing we have to do is, we're gonna make a big mansion. So I'm guessing we have to go, boom, get the icing. So this is like my cement. Okay, so I'm guessing go. Okay, so boom, right? Oh yeah, oh yeah. I hope that lines up. Boom. Ooh, look at that! Oh! So we gotta put more. Oh snap! Don't fall. Woo! You see that guy? Look, it's standing. Look, I feel like a child. Yo, that icing is mad good. All right. So I got the side of the house. Let's make. We're gonna make the other. We're gonna continue with the side of the house. Ooh. You seen that? That's me. I'm doing that. I wish I had a brother or a girlfriend or a mother that would help me. But no, everybody wants to go to sleep. You ungrateful little rats. All this icing tastes so good. You guys are missing out. When I'm done with this, I'm gonna eat it. And then when I'm done eating it, I'm gonna shit it out. You're not gonna enjoy it as much as I did. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No, don't fall, you piece of crap. Bro, I'm gonna be an architect, man. For all the teachers that said I was never gonna do nothing for my life, I'm gonna be an architect.
20 minutes later.
I'm freaking done. But I'm stressed. From an angle, this mansion looks amazing, right? Boom. Entrance is right here. But now, how the hell do I do the roof? Because the goddamn roof don't freaking fit across. Boom. Okay, this was a bad idea. And my icing bag is about to fall down. And boom. Alright, we gotta go through these crevices right here. Oh god. Oh god, my house is falling. Jesus Christ. Oh, my walls. They're falling. Oh my god, my whole house is falling. Help. Help. Come on, man. You gotta survive. Stupid walls. These walls are not holding up. Boy, yeah, right? Jesus, look at my hand. No. This is all wrong. Jesus. All wrong. Give me the other one. God is giving me a second chance. Promise you, this is gonna come out sexy once I'm done. Where's the other piece? Oh. Yeah. I'm running out of icing though. Look at that. No, we're gonna use this one. Oh my god, all this icing on my hand.
Eventually.
Alright, so I'm nearly done. And this is my house or my mansion. Hope you don't freaking fall now. I'm not done. I'm not done. Look at this bad boy. Look at that. I'm not done though. Alright, time to decorate. We gotta cement the whole house again. Ready? Alright, I'm almost done. So let's just roll the cinematics. Yeah, never making one ever again. I love you guys. Come back every day, because it's every day, bro. That's what Jake Paul would say. Oh my god. But I love you guys so much. I'll see you tomorrow. Deuces. Give it a big thumbs up if you guys like my gingerbread bread. My gingerbread house. Yeah, I love you. No homo.